Hello my little friends, welcome to Kids Study Station. Today we are going to learn phonic sound of vowel O. So let's begin. There are 4 sounds for the vowel O. Long sound O, short sound A, schwa sound A, and one extra sound O. Listen carefully. There are 4 phonic sounds for the vowel O. Long sound O, short sound A, schwa sound A, and one extra sound O. Let's read some words having all these sounds. Short sound A, log A, log, log A, box, box, box. Long sound O, O, bow, boat, bone. Schwa sound A, parrot, A, parrot, parrot. And the last one, extra sound O, hook, hook, hook. Books, oo, book, books. Excellent. Today we learned phonic sounds for the vowel O and also read few of examples of those sounds. If you like this lesson, do like, share and subscribe the channel. In the next lesson, we are going to learn letter blending with O vowel. So we'll meet in the next lesson. But till, bye.